listen to me, that's on you. I'm gonna do my brows the same as I did in my eyebrow tutorial, but the only difference is that I already have my foundation on, so.
Stop.
So my plan for the eyes is going to be gold eyes with black eyeliner, and I think I'm gonna do eyeliner at the bottom too in the waterline. I never do that, but we going whole hog. That's a saying my mom says. It's like hilarious. Whole hog. So I'm taking caramel. I made this palette, like, it's so ghetto, man. If I told you how I made it, you'd be like, you should just fuck. Okay, so we're going to go in with my favorite color, favorite transition color. It's Caramel by ABH. And I know she does eyebrows, but her eyeshadows are top notch. My go-to glitter though, really, like if we want to talk about this, it's the Urban Decay. I had to get a single one because I found it in a palette that I bought from Urban Decay like years ago. It's called Half Baked. And it is, you want some gold? You will give gold. And it is not shy to give you gold. Let's just say that. So I'm taking this flat brush, and I'm gonna top it off with this, but I'm gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill palette first, and then I'm gonna use this one as like a base color because your girl be extra. I don't know what's going on. I just be extra. I was just born like that, you know? I'm not cutting a crease or anything like that. I'm trying to get it as precise as possible. So this is a really good color, like as the base, but and I could also wet your brush too, but Urban Decay shadow is going to be the focal point plus the eyeliner. I'm gonna try to do wing eyeliner. I think this might be a little too ambitious for my time constraints because I have to leave soon. But if you ain't ambitious, what are you doing? What are you doing? You gotta be ambitious. Sorry, my bra is showing. Like, ew, who are you? I don't care. It's a brand new bra. I just got it from Madewell, and the company name, I guess they sell like another company on their website. It's called Lively. And so I just got this one. I've been procrastinating on getting a bra for probably like a year or two. I usually only wear like bralettes, you know, because like bras are not comfortable. If you hear that noise, that happens to be my sister's bird, so sorry. Not sorry. Okay, so now I'm gonna top it with, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay. Ready? Okay. Gold and black just looks so good together, so it's a must. Gold all day. Okay, wow, that got really intense. Okay, so now I'm going in with this Japonesque. Ooh, this is like the best one. I don't care. See the difference between this side and this side? It's like more blacked out at the top, and I'm actually gonna do the waterline at the bottom as well, so I want my eyes to be sultry. And now I'm going to smudge it out with some black by ABH. I think the color is called Noir. Pinot Noir. You know where that's from? Year of the Goat? Ooh, she's smoky. What do we think so far, guys? All those subscribers. Everybody in the world. Oh, one person? 2 people? See, I knew it. Somebody's watching my videos. This is how we do it. Oh my god. It's gonna go. Almost time to go. I'm going to do my lashes off camera because I kind of did a mini tutorial in my Valentine's Day look video. So if you want to see how I put my lashes on, then you can go and watch that, and I will link it below. So now we're going to highlight. I'm going to use this palette. I'm going to use these 2 colors here. I'm also going to use another highlighter. I'm going to use the Amrezy highlighter. I've used this a few times and I act like I'm so surprised that it's like. Lips, I'm going to use Colourpop, iluvsarahii, and Curvii. Ooh, these liners are so good. So this is my straightener. What is it? Ow! Oh, touched it. Accidentally touched it. That heat up so fast, I literally just turned it on. I never use it because I usually do my hair curly, but since I have it straight, I hope that I survive this. Honestly, truly. So my hair's gonna be simple because ain't nobody got time for this. I never do my hair. Like in my Valentine's Day video, I was like, I put it back and it was just like so janky. But so this is how I curl. I'm just gonna curl it under. It's like my signature. When my hair is straight, I just curl under. I don't do anything else to it. So I woke up sweating last night. That usually only happens when I get my hair done and when you are melanin infused and you get your hair done, you don't want to sweat it out because then you might as well just wear curly. So I'm trying to get these edges cracking so it looks nice with the rest of my hair. I want to get the edges nice and straight. I am very excited, yeah, that's a word, to show you my dress. So if I can hurry up and actually have time to show you, that would be lovely. And then in the front, that's how I usually do it. Looks good to me. The highlight. Ooh, okay. So this is my dress. I got it at Macy's. It is so gorgeous. It has like a little train in the back. If you can see that. I am bringing this little purse too. Cute little pink purse. I actually got it at Bybel. It was on sale. Okay, we out here for the sales. No playing games. So I'm gonna bring this, and then I also have a coat that I'm going to bring because it is supposed to be cold in LA today. And your girl ain't out here trying to be cold. Okay? So before I take off my makeup, I wanted to record this video, check in, because I just got back from the Philharmonic and that was so much fun. I don't even have words. Like, it was unbelievable. Sometimes you just like get stuck in your own world, you know what I mean? And you just don't realize like how much other stuff there is in the world and in life and for you to experience. And I feel like that's like what this was. For me, it was so awesome. It's just so hard to even put into words. But basically, the conductor tonight was Gustavo Dudamel, and he is a very famous conductor who has been in the business for so many years. And he was actually celebrating John Williams, who is also a conductor who is extremely famous for his music in Star Wars and Indiana Jones, also Harry Potter, like all of those popular songs in Harry Potter. So if you like any of those songs, just know that thank John Williams. Totally recommend it to anybody who might be wanting to look into something different. This is something super different from like what I normally do. And like my sister, she bought the tickets so long ago. Like we bought them over the summer last year, like when they first came out and when the tickets were first released. And so it's like we waited forever. So I'm just so excited. The seats were excellent. Everything, you know, I was all dressed up and my sister was dressed up, my dad was, and we just had so much fun. So ultimately I would definitely go again. And also to add on, freaking John Williams was even there. And so there's like a 4-day event. It's like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And it's for like celebrating his music and, you know, basically what he's done for the Philharmonic and over all of these years. And so yeah, I thought that was just so cool that he was actually there. He was like sitting in the audience, just like regular person. And then Gustavo went over there to go get him. I was like, wait, what? He was like sitting in the audience. So yeah, that was my experience. That was my day. I'm gonna go take my makeup off and like get ready for bed because it is like midnight or like midnight 30. I don't even know. I have to post a video tomorrow, so I need to work on that also. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry, I'm like not good at like staring at the camera. It's just I always just like stare this way, but I need to practice that. But anyways, I had so much fun today, and thank you so much for watching this vlog, this get ready with me / vlog. I don't know how long it's gonna be, but if you made it this long, you're the GOAT, and that's all I got to say. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you when I see you. Bye.